In this review, at the core of every DR is a psychological inclination toward over-preparedness. If there's the slightest chance that a task will arise, a toolbox is supplied with the appropriate implement to restore working order. As more specialized chores reveal themselves, the toolbox becomes overstuffed, expanding into a shed or even a garage. The local contractor is never contacted. The D spirit exists even in those of us who aren't inclined to solve every problem on our own, and one thing we and the all-doers can agree on is the practicality of the multi-tool. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review present top 5 best multi-tool. Number 5. DR.LILIANG Multitool Camping Accessories. On first inspection, I was slightly surprised but pleased to discover that the DR.LILIANG multi-tool comes with a nice size hammer permanently affixed to the handle. While the hammer dominates, this is a knife-based multi-tool, as it comes with a very sharp fish scaling knife, a sharp all-purpose blade, and a heavy-duty saw blade. This multi-tool would work well at a campsite when used to pound tent stakes into the ground. The hammer is solid and weighted, and indented finger grips on the handle make it easy to hold and maneuver. Built into the hammer's head is a screwdriver hole that accepts any of the 4 bits found in a fold-out tray on the back of the handle. The head also comes with a hexagon hole that can be used as a wrench. Number 4. WETOLS Multi-Tool, Hard Stainless. There's no need to spend a lot to get a decent multi-tool with abundant functions. The WETOLS 21-in-1 multi-tool offers a robust set of pliers and a host of other tools in a compact size that's just 4.8 inches long by 2.44 inches by 1.65 inches. At 11.8 ounces, it weighs slightly more than some other multi-tools in this lineup, but it features a very smooth hand feel, and all the tools are easy to extend and retract. Plus, it comes at an attractive price point. I like the ultra-smooth feel of the WETOLS. It has no sharp edges, and the outer edges of the handles appear to have some type of protective coating, which I appreciated. I was impressed by the large knife. The blade measures a full 3.25 inches, and when locked in place, it measures 7 inches from the tip of the blade to the bottom of the handle. That's almost unheard of in a pliers-based multi-tool where the knife is basically an add-on. Number 3. MOSSY OAK Multitool. Right out of the box, I found the MOSSY OAK's multi-tool to be an impressive combination of quality and engineering. The pliers on this plier-based model are beefy and robust. In addition to precise needle nose tips, they feature a larger convex area toward the base of the jaws that is suitable for grabbing wider items, such as nuts. The brushed stainless steel handles are well made and very smooth, no rough or sharp spots. The high quality of the pliers, combined with the inclusion of a magnetic driver socket and 4 double-ended screwdriver bits, makes this multi-tool a beneficial choice for carrying on a daily basis. It can be used to tighten or loosen nuts and screws, cut lightweight materials, or file wood or metal, and its ruler has labeled increments. Weighing in at 11.8 ounces, it's on the beefy side, but it features the functions I consider most likely to be used regularly. A pocket clip would be a great addition to the MOSSY OAK, but as it is, I found the tool highly functional. Number 2. Gerber Gear Truss Multi-Tool. As small as the Gerber Gear Die Mini Multi-Tool is, just 2.75 inches long, it surprisingly features workable, spring-loaded pliers with strong gripping jaws. The Die Mini also comes with a set of sharp scissors that are spring-loaded as well. The brushed black stainless steel makes for a robust tool that's compact enough to carry without feeling weighed down. The tools themselves are slightly stiff and were challenging to extend at first, but a quick spritz of WD-40 had them all opening smoothly. Weighing in at only 2.25 ounces, this little multi-tool is the right size for carrying on a keychain, or for keeping in a pocket or purse. A bottle opener is located at the very end of the handle, so there's no need to fold anything out to uncap a beer. Once the pliers-based tool is completely open, a small set of tweezers can be removed from the outside handle. I found the tweezers less than precise, but the other tools are well made. The overall feel of this multi-tool is one of quality and smoothness. Number 1. LEATHERMAN, Wingman Multi-Tool. For those who have had to let go of a feed sack or bale of hay, just open a knife to cut the sack or the cord, the LEATHERMAN Wave Plus multi-tool offers a convenient solution. On either side of the closed tool or blades, one is serrated, and the other is smooth, and both feature a groove in their handles. By holding a multi-tool in my hand and exerting pressure with my thumb, I was able to open the blade one-handed. Once I got used to the motion, I could open either blade quickly just by feel. I found the quick access knife to be among the best features of this LEATHERMAN tool. The pliers are precise, but they're not spring-loaded, which just adds to the motions a user must make to open and close them. The included scissors, ironically, are spring-loaded. The Wave Multitool features a total of 18 functions, including all the common ones: screwdrivers, can and bottle openers, files, wire cutters, and a saw. Still, the quick access knives set this one apart.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.